At dahil tinext ako ng aming head na si Sir Ice is ready for printing or print na ang aking schedule. Like what I've said, my week was so productive. Ay, Diyos ko, ang aming university, Universidad de Manila. Ingal pa. At syllabus, thank you, Sir Paraon. Woohoo! Yes. Okay tayo. Hingal factor. Third. Last. Last. Dahil mga nilalang. Nakakatawa. Knock. Ay, ganda. Pumayat ka ba? Pumayat ka ba?
Sinat kita mo.
Pero hindi ko na nabasa.